Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Long ago, there was a small town where the people owned land and worked hard. One year, there was no rain and the land became dry. The people grew worried because their crops were dying. One evening, the men of the town gathered to pray for rain. They stood in neat rows facing the sky and waited for the mullah, a religious leader, to lead the prayer. As they prepared to pray, a young boy came running from the town. He held an open umbrella over his head, even though the sky was clear and there was no rain. The boy stood in the back row, still holding the umbrella. The men turned to look at him. Some were curious, but others were annoyed. The open umbrella created a gap between their shoulders, and they believed they should stand shoulder to shoulder when praying. The mullah looked at the boy and asked, "Why did you bring an umbrella, oh foolish boy? Don't you see the sky is clear? We are here to pray for rain, not to open umbrellas." The boy replied, "Yes, I know there is no rain now, but I believe my prayer will be answered. I am certain God will make it rain, so I brought my umbrella to be ready." The mullah was silent. The men felt ashamed. Each one looked at the person next to him. Then, inside his own heart, they realized their faith was not as strong as the boys. They were praying for rain, but they had no certainty that it would come. That night, the man learned a lesson from the boy. True faith means believing with all your heart that your prayers will be answered. The mullah finally said, "Indeed, this child has taught us all a great lesson. If we pray for rain, we must have faith that rain will come." The boy smiled, holding his umbrella tightly, as the man prayed with new hope and stronger faith. Through the passage of time, the mullah recited, "Humankind is at a loss, except those who have certainty of faith." Jazakallah.